I've had a really fantastic time in Durham over the last few years. It's a fantastic city to live in. It's very picturesque. We've got the castle and the cathedral up on the Bailey. I know when I first came to Durham for an open day a few years ago, you come in on the train and you see the most fantastic view. It's gobsmacking. It really is a beautiful place.
My name is Jeff Warburton. I'm Director of Research Postgraduates in the Geography Department at Durham. Durham's located in the heart of the North East, with excellent network connections to most of the UK major cities, with regular links to London.
It's one of the top ranked departments in the UK, and has really attracted a very high level of academics.
There are four main research degrees. First of these is the PhD, which lasts for 3 years. The second of these is an MPhil, or Master of Philosophy, which lasts for 2. And the third and fourth are the MA by Research and the MSc by Research. We have in the department a really nice mix of people from, well, basically all over the globe. And I think that really creates a really vibrant atmosphere in the department. It's a good place to work as a result of that.
I'm a PhD student in human geography within the geography department, and I'm looking at health and well-being.
These research degrees cover a range of specialisms, both in physical, human and increasingly in interdisciplinary topics.
We've got students looking at using high-tech remote sensing data to work out the recharge into aquifers in Palestine, which obviously then has political implications.
We have, I think, 60 or 70 human geography research postgraduates working on a whole range of topics across political geography, development geography, social and cultural geography and so on. We have an enormous range of expertise in the department.
When I was a student of geography in Poland, I've made my own list of world-leading geographers I would like to meet and discuss further research cooperation. Here in Durham, I've met majority of them.
In terms of physical geography, there are two main areas of research that we carry out. One of these is in quaternary environmental change. The other is in the theme of catchment river and hill slope science. Depending on your research topic, you can end up working in some quite far-flung places and quite spectacular places.
My field area was Alaska, and particularly the south central region, and my work involves coring, so in bug-infested bogs surrounded by bears. But it was brilliant. It was absolutely brilliant.
Right now I have students in upland areas of Laos working on rubber and village change. I've got students in Malaysia working on e-waste governance.
In terms of supervision within the department, each research postgraduate student would have a minimum of 2 supervisors, a maximum of 3.
I think it is the kind of flexibility and dynamic nature of supervision that makes our department such a unique one.
The facilities in Durham are fantastic. We have great computing facilities. There's also fantastic labs, and some of the labs we have are world-leading labs. For example, the landslide lab, which is newly developed, we have a fantastic gamma lab where we can date recent sediment.
During the course of your studies, you'll also present seminars and presentations which will go towards assessing how well you're progressing through your degree. Many of our students after graduation will continue to pursue the research through universities, or may take the research degrees and apply them to new careers which have proved very successful.
I did a Masters in Geomorphology and Environmental Change, and then went on to do a PhD, and this has enabled me to get a role as Senior Ecologist at Argus Ecology. I carry out things like botanical surveys and diatom analysis for universities around the world, protected species surveys. I've done 3 murder trials, and I'm currently doing some preliminary work with the FBI, all because of the work that I did at Durham University.
The collegiate system in Durham and the university makes up a big part of the town, a big part of the character of the place. It's very, very friendly and very welcoming in terms of a new place to be. And you never feel particularly alone in Durham. You'll soon find that the people you met the night before, you're bumping into them on a regular basis.
Durham is magical. I think every day when you pass the cathedral, when you pass the castle, and when you enter the university, you feel that you're in a very special place.
I have definitely made the right decision to come to Durham. If given a second chance, I'll still choose Durham. There's no doubt about it.
It's a fantastic place, and I'd recommend it to anybody.
There's so much going on in this city, and there's such a great mix of people who drive it.
I strongly believe that there is no better place to study geography in the world.